Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do this claw clip hairstyle, which is really popular at the moment. I'm going to be using the Curly&Wild 24-inch ponytail in the texture Wild Curly. So I'm starting off on really old wash and go hair, and I'm going to be using the spray bottle just to make it a little bit more easy to mould, and I'm going to be doing a low ponytail at the back of my head. Because I am starting on an old wash and go, it is already quite saturated with gel, so using the water just helps to reactivate it so I didn't have to use too much. And then going in with the denim brush just to help smooth out some of the kinks to make it as sleek as possible to my head. And you do want to try and put this as low as possible, because when you put the claw clip on, it will kind of make it appear a lot higher. So as low as possible, just to make room for the claw clip. After I smooth it with the denim brush, I go in with a bit of gel just to tame the flyaways, and then a soft brush on top of that just to, make it all smooth. After that, I just secured it with quite a small hair tie. I tried to find as small of a hair tie as possible. Originally, I tried to use a satin scrunchie, but it was just too big. As you can see, I do have quite a lot of hair, and the ponytail was quite dense, especially because I was doing it on a wash and go. Ideally, you kind of want to do this on stretched hair or a hairstyle that is a lot more easy to, turn into a small bun. To get this to be as small of a bun as possible, I ended up putting it in two sections and then just kind of twisting those sections separately and then twisting them around each other again. Really difficult to explain, but essentially you just want to make the bun as small as possible, and however you find a way to do that, that's what you do. This is just going to make sure that, one, the drawstring ponytail actually fits, and two, it's not too bulky so that the claw clip can actually fit over it. So yeah, as small as possible is the goal. I then secured it with another hair tie and went in with the ponytail. So the ponytail comes with two clips, one at the top, one at the bottom, and then the drawstring feature. So applying it, you just put one at the top of the bun, one at the bottom of the bun, and then pull in the drawstring element as tight as possible just to make sure it's secure. I don't generally have to go in with any other hair grips or anything to secure it, it's just usually secure enough. But with this style, because you're kind of flipping the ponytail upwards, you might want to put some extra hair grips in there. I actually didn't, but just in case, the option's there. I then just very simply gathered all the hair upwards, and then with the claw clip, I just secured it right above the bun with the bottom of the claw clip, kind of just on the top of the bun, if that makes any sense. With curly hair, you will find that it probably doesn't go through the whole width of the hair because it is quite thick. So I kind of just spent some time pushing the hair under the clip just to make sure it wasn't falling out. Again, you can use extra grips if you need to. I didn't need to, my claw clip was quite big. And then at the end, just give it a bit of a squeeze just to make sure it's secure. Now, I got these claw clips in a pack of 4 from Amazon. I will put a link in the description box. Now it's time to reposition the hair on the top of my head, so I'm just going to go in with a spray bottle just to make it a little bit more wet. It makes it easier to mould, and also redefines the curls. I think I might have gone in with a bit of mousse, I can't remember, but it might not have needed it because this ponytail was a new one. And after that, you can kind of see it just helps it to drop a little bit. Very classy hairstyle. I'm absolutely loving it at the moment, as is the rest of Instagram apparently. So if you do recreate this hairstyle, make sure you tag me, Sav Danielle, and Curly&Wild. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.